In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your AirPlay feature is not working or pairing onto your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the top menu bar, and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Bluetooth, and then if the Bluetooth option is turned off, you're going to have to toggle that on. Please note that AirPlay does require Bluetooth connectivity, so just go ahead and toggle that on, and then hopefully you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.